How to fix disabled Wi-Fi on an Android device. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to learn how we can fix if your Wi-Fi is showing disabled on your Android phone. No matter whichever Android phone you're using, we're going to learn how to fix that. But before we get started, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. If you wish to fix the disabled Wi-Fi on Android phone, sometimes this happens just because of your Wi-Fi. So instead of going through anything with the phone, I would first recommend that you restart your router and do other stuff before you try to go ahead and then check it with your phone. Now, if your Wi-Fi is working well on other devices but not your Android phone, then we can come to the conclusion that something is wrong with our device. The first thing you can try to do is to restart it. Depending upon the device, Android or iPhone, tap the restart button to restart your Galaxy device or Android device. Next up, you can simply open up settings. Then we can simply scroll down to the general option over here, depending upon which device again. Scroll down to reset option. We will not reset our device, but we will only reset the settings. Tap on reset all settings and tap on reset. This will remove any saved information like your Wi-Fi passwords and so on, but once it's done doing that, Wi-Fi should definitely work on your device. Now, if you can connect to other networks somehow, check if your software is updated to the latest version, because sometimes lack of this could also be causing the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.